this episode on this thing on the Nerf gun gallery. The Vulcan EBF-25. 25 means how many bullets you can hold. This is actually one of the guns I did before, but I lost accidentally. You use it. Now my favorite part, shooting it. So what we do is, friend Troy, he's gonna run out there, leave the pistol. My other gun, go out there. Not that far. You know how far this thing shoots. And this thing can shoot two ways. Automatic. I'll show you that in a minute. And like artillery, I call it. Shoots single fire. No car behind me. Okay. You pull it down. Yeah. Okay, did that. Pull it back, and then hate how it's tilted like this. Notice how it comes out on the side. And these kind of bullets can whistle when you shoot them. And this gun is tilting so much. Okay. I like this gun because it's like artillery. Whoa, man, I don't know if anyone of you heard this. But man, that's a... But that one whistled so much. Did you hear it, Troy?
Yeah.
Oh, that one didn't do it. Dang it. Bad shot. But I can practically shoot to Troy. Or Adam. I angled it bad. Shut up. Woo! That one whistled. Now after we reloaded it, which I'll show you how to reload it right now. After we reload it, Troy, he's struggling. After we reload it, we're gonna do automatic. Woo! Troy. Go out there. Okay, so you flip this switch. Whoop. And now I always close it. And then fire. Notice. And we're out. Just like a couple seconds, 10 seconds. Shot off 25 bullets. I haven't showed you guys before, but this is kind of dart you'd use. This or this to tell they whistle. Does that all? And you'd load them in, push them in. You have to push them, like deep in. Yep, there you go. You'd push them in and then fill it all the way up. Alright, this is a segment I like to call Test a Monkey. We get to see what the gun would be like on a pistol. Sure, you got the pistol. You got all the bullets, right?
Yeah.
Alright. We practically battle with the bullets. See how they'd be. Woohoo! I got the Vulcan, bitches. I'm gonna mount it. I'm kidding. I don't have a GoPro. Wish I did though. If anyone wants to donate a GoPro, that'd be sweet. Like if you guys could donate one, that'd be great for our videos. Alright, let's go. Address. I'm not gonna tell you it. Just comment in it. Woo! I had it turned off. Suck my dick. Alright, this is the end of the video. Ow! You broke it again!
No, that was you.
Ow! Alright, I'm about to kill Troy. With the gun we're using next time.
Bullets back out.
Let's go.